G1 garlic. Ito na lang yung natira, no more, no? Only this one. At no problem, we have already planted.
Yeah.
So by June na inshallah.
Yeah.
So March, April, May, June.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 months more. So this one, I think enough to use this one.
Yeah.
Until June, until we will harvest.
No, we can get by it, no problem.
No problem. If lacking, then we can buy. So I will get now all this one because I will use this one for cooking. These are example of G1 garlics, tubers of G1 garlics. This one clove of G1 garlic. We use already this one, and we planted already last year of July or August. So inshallah we will harvest coming June. And also this native or ordinary garlics, but finished already ordinary garlics, so we have only this left G1 garlics. As you can see, the clove, one clove, it's very big, and as you can see, in one clove, I think there are 6 or 7 teeth or tooths. Ayan. So these are teeth of G1 garlics. Ayan, nakikita nyo, as you can see. Isang ngipin ito, one teeth of G1 garlics. Ayan. Ayan. Ang laki, di ba? It's very big. One teeth of G1 garlic tuber. Ayan. Yan, isa. How many clove this one? In one clove of G1 garlic tuber is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, 5. And this one are baby seeds of G1 garlic. G1 garlics. When we remove from the field this tuber of G1 garlics, it will produce 6, 10 or babies of 10 babies of this one tuber of G1 garlics. It will attach here when we remove from the field like this. Naka-attach yan sa isang clove ng G1 garlics. Ayan. Sa isang 1 clove or 1 bulb of G1 garlics, it will produce 10 or 12 like that, something like that. And this one we planted also together with this G1 and normal garlics. We plant this one, and then if we will harvest these babies, it will become produced like this, one bulb, and it's like onions. There is no teeth of this G1 garlics. This one, this is only one, there is no teeth. Ayan, oh. If we plant this one, it will produce, when we harvest, it will one like this, there is no teeth. And then if we plant this one again, it will become like this. It will become like this. There are teeth already. Ayan, oh, ang lalaki ng mga lalaki ng mga ngipin. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ito. Ayan, oh, ang laki, oh. Ayan. So ito na lang yung natitira na harvest namin last year of June, July yata. So inshallah by June or July harvest kami uli ng itong G1 garlics at saka yung ordinary or normal garlics at saka yung ito din. Kasi nagtanim din sila kayo ng ganito, baby seeds. So yung baby seeds, it will become like this, and then if we plant again this one, it will become like this. It will produce one clove, then may mga na babies na din. Ayan, ito lang yung gusto kong i-share. Sa Pilipinas yata wala pang ganito na garlic or bawang sa Pilipinas. Ang meron doon ay yung native lang na ordinary garlics. Ayan, maganda ito pang ano ito na medicines. Powerful ito for medicines, and they are using also this one for medicines, especially for blood pressure. This skin it easily. Ayan o yung balat niya, ano, madali na lang tanggalin. Ayan. Ayan, madali lang tanggalin. Ayan ang lalaki, oh, di ba? Ang lalaki ng ngipin. Buti pa ang bawang, malalaki ang ngipin, very healthy. So ayan, ito yung baby seeds, ito yung mga ngipin ng 1 clove of G1 garlics. Ayan. Ito naman yung after you plant this one, it will become like this, produce like this. Walang ngipin. Ito yung example na stalk or leaves ng G1 garlics. As you can see, you see my tuber na, oh. Ayan. Ito yung ano, bali ganito ganyan pag na-harvest namin ito. You see ang laki ng ano, 'di ba? Ang laki ng puno, oh. Tapos yung mga leaves. Ayan. So ito yung ano example ng tuber ng G1 garlics, at saka yung puno niya, at saka yung stalk o kaya leaves. Ayan. Ito mga G1 garlics lahat 'yan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayun doon hanggang doon. Ayan. Ayan mga spinach ito, oh, napasama dito. Yung doon banda ay ano yan, mga ordinary or normal garlics yan.